The demand of digital skill is increasing day by day, and in the near future the demand of this skill will go up just because of its flexibility and easiness to earn money. This skill will allow you to earn money working from home. So you'd like to earn money working from home, then this video is for you. You must have heard that during this pandemic many people are losing their physical job, and in the near future the office work job will be losing. So if you have digital skill, then it will be beneficial for you to earn money even if you don't do any job with this skill. So today video I am going to talk about two skills regarding digital marketing. The first one is social media marketing and the second one is digital marketing, and this course are offered by Accenture. It is an institute which helps or which offers course to build or prepare yourself to do well in digital marketing world. So let's get started. Okay, the first course is digital skill social media. Okay, and if you scroll it down, you can find the duration of this course: 2 weeks, weekly study 1 hour, learn free, and digital upgrade free. If you have the certificate of recognition of your skill, then it increases the credibility to the employer who will give you a job. So I think it is the best opportunity to learn and to gain or earn the free certificate as well. Okay, if you scroll it down further, you will find that what topics will you cover in these courses. Okay, then if we scroll it further, then we can see that who will take the courses and share some reviews of the students who already enrolled this course, and it is the what is included in these courses. Here is unlimited access to this course, includes any articles, videos, quizzes, tests to validate your learning. That means after learning this course you will have to give an exam. If you pass here, then you will get your certificate, and it is obviously valuable. So to enroll these courses, just need to click here join now. Okay, if you have already an account here, just simply click here sign in. But if you're new here, you just need to fill out these things. I think this is the easiest. You can do it by yourself. Okay, as I have already an account, I'm just clicking here sign in. Okay, it is loading as I have successfully logged in, and here is the course digital skill social media. I just need to click here go to course, then I will be able to do these courses, and in the same way you can do the course. Okay, now the second course I'm going to talk about is digital marketing, obviously, and in the same way it is offered by Accenture, and these are the expert in digital marketing. And here the duration of this course is 2 weeks, and it is free, and here is also free certificate included. And what topics will you cover, you can find it from here. Okay, here learner reviews, and here is what will you achieve from these courses. Okay, and here is again in the like the same courses, everything is same what is included here, and obviously these courses offer you certificate if you pass in the exam. And to enroll these courses like earlier time, just simply click here join now. Okay, then as I already logged in, then I can do this course easily. So if you logged in for one courses, then you will be able to do it. Otherwise you just simply need to sign in, then click here go to courses, and you'll be able to do this courses. So these are the two courses that are really offered by some famous institution which are skill or expertise in digital marketing, and just simply do this course, earn certificate, increase your skill, and you will be able to earn your money with using your digital skills.